I ended up here because the Ngāti Koata are my people, and I wanted to come back especially because it's been 55 years since I trampled Rangitoto ki te tonga, and for me to come back and be in touch with my tupuna and my present day people is just the greatest experience. Ko Lyman Moriarty aho, ko James Rungato Elkington, Rau Huita Meha Elkington, Oku Tupuna. Ko Hariata Rangikauia Elkington, Tōku Whaia.
So the opportunity to come onto a Huirumaki reo, it's great because it forces me to be able to dig down into myself and to bring all of those kupu out. Just looking forward to being open for the rest of the learning, and what I want to do is to bring my kids down here. I've got 5 daughters and 2 sons, and they need to be reconnected onto the site as well. Tēnei te mihi nui ki a koe, ko waiau ko tipini kini taku ingoa. I'm Steve, and born and raised in Porirua, Takahia, but now I'm over here on this beautiful spot.
Kia ora whānau, ko Greg Weber tuku ingoa. I hail from French Pass. My mum and dad are Auntie Noah and Uncle Bill. And I'm up here with the whānau, and I guess part of my journey and learning my te reo Māori, more about our whānau stories and sharing waiata.
So the main objective of this Wānanga was to, I guess, like successional planning. Our main focus was next generation kaumātua. We wanted to help grow our paipai, kaikaranga, kaikorero, and this is part of our reo strategy, this Wānanga, to learn our waiata, to learn our history, our whakapapa. Tēnā tātou, ko Noala McGregor tuku ingoa, no whakatū, ko Ngāti Koata te iwi.
Ngāti Koata, te ahua tango te ranei e, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou.
So first day was mainly getting to know everyone, whakawhanaungatanga. Then our kōrero sessions, we got into whakapapa, the heke and the tuku, kawhia, our history in Kawhia, our tupuna kōrero. The first day was all kōrero sessions just to get it all done and woven fresh.
Hey, three husbands. Is that right? Jana Takahia. Pihi, Oti, Poke. Is that right? Is that what I'm reading right?
That's what that's saying.
That's what this is saying, yeah. So Takahia is
The child.
Kia ora, ko kariwa i te maunga, whaingaro te moana, whaingaro te whenua, tainu waka, tainu i te hapu, ko kāwharu Rangitoto ingoa. I connect down to Rangitoto through my great-grandfather and great-grandmother, Wetini Rāpana, Rangi Aukaha, and of course through Ngāti Koata, but Ngāti Koata who stayed back in Whaingaroa. So, oi, tēnei te mihi. Tainui āwhiro, people think of whiro the atua, of kinu and all that, but actually if you think of Tainui as the waka that voyaged, whiro was a well-renowned navigator as well. So Tainui āwhiro, as in the hononga to the descendants of Tainui waka of navigating, e ngunguru nei te au I te pō, that are constantly, I guess, roaring. And it Nan took on that name for us because it made sense. We're always challenging and always making a fuss.
a whakapapa here on this on Rangitoto ki te tonga on both sides of my mother and my father through the Nohorua line. So this Wānanga for me has been really, really special. Brought up hearing about all of the kōrero, all the stories about Rangitoto ki te tonga and or Duval Island as it was told to me. I've been on other hururu maki reo and people just had their heads down, books open and don't want to kōrero with each other, so you still don't really push the envelope. But here with our group here, and we just created such a safe space for us and to be comfortable at our level and to push forward.
If you share in your group your hopes and your aspirations for our time on Rangitoto and what you'd like to achieve, what do you want to learn? So in your group, kōrero, Wānanga, and come up with your ideas as a group.
Ko re here tangata, that's the strengthening or the binding of all of us together here. So the first three, and the fourth one is the whakamarama, is the understanding.
Whanangatanga, that's one of these, and everything else you guys said. It's exactly the same. Rangitoto history, koatatanga, whana kōrero, getting to know you. I te kite a toto, me to mana. You got the primo spot, eh?
favourite part of the trip?
Meeting you.
Grandma, what's been the favourite thing you've seen of the trip?
I might talk back here. That's it.
What's the favourite thing you've seen of the trip?
The favourite thing?
Yeah, of the trip.
Let me see. The wheels.
What
When they
wheels?
turn around on the truck, they turn around and we go somewhere.
Where's the microphone on?
Yeah, the microphone's on now, bro.
Okay. Ko Camila toku mama ko grandma Melanie toku grandma. And ko Ngāti Koata taku iwi.
And what's been your favourite thing for this 4 days?
I have actually too making the fire with making the fire with Uncle Peter going to the beach, and you recording.
Thank you all very much. In case everyone doesn't know, this is Uncle Lindsay. He's the new skipper aboard the Elusive here. His brother Uncle Roma here. And your other brother Uncle George over here. Alright, these three brothers. This one here is Nadia's father. You all know Nadia now.
One was bleeding a little, like white here, as people are like straight, because I'm not a dolphin.
It's easier to let you go. Nobody knows what we know about it. No one needs to know.